Let's change our PC IP address. First of all, open CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. In CMD, we will check our current IP address. So type this command ipconfig and hit enter. And here you will find your current IP address. And now it's time to change our PC IP address. Press Windows key and R key at the same time, and here type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. And it will jump into your computer network connections. Here, right click on your current network. It could be a Wi-Fi, internet or Ethernet. Right click and click on properties. And then in this connection list, you have to find out internet protocol version 4. Then double click on internet protocol version 4. And here select use the following IP address option. Now in this IP address box, write a new IP address for your PC. So I'm typing here 192.168.1.40, and in the subnet mask you have to type 255.255.255.0, and default gateway will be 192.168.1.8. Now all you have to need, just click on OK, and your computer IP address will change. Thanks for watching.